Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a last to stop scripting wins 10,000 Robux. So, as you can see, we have 3 contestants here. We have Use Template, Zach Sally, and Squid. I'm not sure what he's doing with his head there, but it's okay. Anyways, we have a series of challenges, okay? And if they beat every challenge, or if they beat a challenge, they go on to the next challenge, and the next challenge, and they get harder and harder over time, right? So each challenge is a little bit harder than the last one. Or if you can't complete a challenge, that means you're out, and the last person left wins, okay? It's pretty simple.
Alright.
So yeah.
Easy 10K. Okay, let's get
Exactly. Also, everyone has their own folders, so you can do everything in your own folder. No one gets confused or distracted. And also, no looking at other people's scripts. That's not allowed. And I'll give you a time limit for each challenge as well.
Dex is cheating, dude. Man made a script, module script, and another logo. What you doing?
Why are you guys so worried? Alright, dude. You can do the same. You can do the same. Alright. You can do the same. Just don't look inside of them.
Alright, anyways, so let's get started with the first challenge. The first challenge is make a part that changes colors every second. All right, pretty simple, pretty easy. If you can't do this, you might as well just quit already, okay? Because it's the first challenge. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes. That's it. That's enough time.
You're sad. You're sad.
I'm not sad.
Okay, we're gonna hear a lot of keyboards.
Alright, I'm done.
Dude.
I'm done as well. I'm done.
Hey, I'm a little slow here, okay?
Okay.
Where's mine? Mine is done. Mine and theirs are almost similar. Screw you, nerds. Get out.
All right, everyone ready? All right, go ahead and go into team test, and then hit start, and we'll test it together. All right, that was a pretty easy first challenge. Took you like how many? 20 seconds, 30 seconds? That was pretty quick actually.
For sure.
Okay, look, I haven't scripted in months.
All right, I'm
Oh my god, dude, we're already having a dropout. We didn't even start.
All right, so we got this one working. I'm pretty sure this is Zach's right here, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, Zach's yours is working. That's good.
One I'm standing next to.
Whose is this?
That's mine.
Why is it
whack
so
thing
big?
now,
Why is it so?
Because I gotta assert my dominance.
Hey, bro, aesthetics -1, bro. Come on.
All right, and yours regular part. All right, it worked. Everyone passed the first challenge. Congratulations, you all passed the first challenge. That was pretty easy.
Yay!
But it's gonna get harder now.
Yo, I
Okay?
did it.
All right. Go and exit team create, and let's get to the next one. All right, the next challenge also pretty simple. You create a door that lets you walk through it whenever you click it. All right. You have a little bit of creativity here. All you have to do is walk through it.
You should give us slightly a bit more time for that because I have to build.
I'm
building
giving you.
really
It doesn't need to be a whole door. It can be a part. Like it's just literally just like a wall.
Oh, wow.
But yeah.
For aesthetics.
You click through it.
Extra points.
Yes. Okay. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I'll give you 3 minutes.
Wait, you click at the door?
Just click the door and then you can walk through it. You don't. It doesn't need to close.
Cool.
I didn't say that. Just take what I said and then do that.
Alright. That's fine.
Actually, maybe I should make a GUI at the top of the screen.
What?
Alright, is everybody ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Play.
Yeah, you click my door. Hey.
I clicked
Hey.
it. I clicked it.
Alright,
Why are you
alright.
sideways now?
Move. Where's the door?
Right there,
Alright, this is X's. Okay, let's test it out. Click. Oh, that's
Claps.
kind of trashy,
Claps.
honestly.
Claps. It opened. It
It
opened.
It's not even like turning the same way. Look at this. It's like,
Yes, it is, bro.
you know what? We'll let it slide. We'll let it slide.
Yeah, okay.
It opened. You guys
Alright,
like
wait, let me try this one
I
right
was
here.
gonna go to use templates here. Use
Squid?
template.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
what I was expecting. Honestly, it doesn't need to actually open. Just basically, click
Oh.
it. And
Wow.
that's what I
That's
meant.
such a
Like
scam.
the door opens. Like you know
You
what I
could
mean?
have said that. Let's specify it more.
No, there's
What,
no.
dude?
You just have to infer.
Nah, bro. You gotta
It's a
specify
little
it
bit of
more. It's
creativity.
programming. What?
Oh, this door does not. Wait, okay, it does actually. Wait, all right, wait,
You
stop.
can't go through it.
Wait. You can go through it when it's closed, but you can't go through it when it's open.
Wait a minute.
Leave it open. They don't know why it's open. Oh.
Wait.
Oh no, you're out, dude.
It has to be open.
Bro, you're out.
No, I do. No, someone did my script. It says 2.
Oh
What
my
happened?
gosh.
Nobody
Oh,
touched your script, bro. Why are you like?
You didn't even test your script, dog?
dude.
It worked. It legit worked.
Come on, bro.
All right.
says-
Listen, we're gonna let it slide.
Clean
I mean,
up.
to be
No,
fair,
no,
it did
no, no.
open, but we couldn't walk through
But like,
it.
to be fair, tap, you gotta be clear on your instructions. To be fair, just to be fair, you gotta be clear on your instructions. That's only fair.
I guess you're right. Yeah. Wait, the
Alright, now-
instructions say door that lets you walk through. when you click it. You couldn't walk through. I guess no, but like you could walk through it sometimes, but just not when it was actually like it looked open. You know what?
Yeah,
All right.
no, visual. It works mechanically, just not visually.
Yeah, exactly.
Mechanically, it's not vision.
Next challenge is you're making a part that basically sets you on fire whenever you touch it, and then eventually you die because you're burning alive. Okay?
I see. Alright.
Alright, pretty simple, pretty simple. I'll paste that in there. Now this is challenge 3. You guys are getting pretty far. I'm proud of all of you.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, we got one guy done already. Let's check out the scripts.
Bro,
Wait, I said let me test.
I mean, you can test it. I just want to look. I'm just gonna look at it.
Yeah, sure.
Interesting. You guys got 1 more minute.
All right.
We'll need it. Alright, but I'm done. Alright, so what else?
Yeah, no, I'm not done, man.
All right. You got 1 minute, Squid.
All right, I'm not gonna make this.
No, Squid.
How? He's quitting. Quitter.
I'm not quitting. I'm gonna try, but I don't think I'm gonna make.
How do you admit it, bro? Literally decorating my name on top of it, bro. So.
Wait, you are?
Yeah.
Oh no.
All right, the minute's up, dude. The minute's up.
All right. I haven't had a chance to test it, but I'm pretty sure.
Oh,
You're
really?
positive,
Okay.
you're
All right. Let's go on team test now and see if it's working.
Wait 1 second.
Oh no, no.
clicked,
There's no seconds here,
yo.
buddy.
No second.
Wait,
If
wait,
you're done,
No,
you're done.
no. There's no seconds. I clicked play though. So
Okay,
that's
yeah,
only.
fine.
I'm not trying to say anything, but Squid, your script errored.
Did it error?
So
Uh-oh.
Hold on, I'm getting in.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to test it.
Alright, come here.
No.
Come here, huh?
All right,
Wait, no,
Zex.
they are.
Touch it. Come on.
All right, let's go and test it.
wait,
Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm on fire and I'm dead. All right, it worked. Perfect, though. That worked perfectly. That's just
What the hell?
That's exactly what we were shooting for. Why is your script creating things?
I'm
Why do you even do it, bro?
not really too sure what's going on there. Oh no, I'm
Nobody
starting
can
to lag.
spawn now.
yo, what is your script?
All right, let's test this apart out
No,
here.
don't test that one. Don't test
Is
that.
that-
Go to Nays. Go to Nays.
Oh, why does it spawn?
Why does
It spawns parts.
doesn't work?
It spawned parts
It
at the
doesn't.
origin.
You
No,
failed.
what the hell?
Oh,
You-
no.
He's out.
Failed.
He's out.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Look,
That's not-
how did it go from
Ow.
getting on fire to this? And
Yeah,
why does
how's
it
it
slightly
going
kill
on
you?
fire?
It's like you
Why?
sacrifice a little bit of your health and it makes a part. Like what is this?
Alright, let's go on Neris's real quick.
Oh, you're out, buddy. I'm sorry.
How?
No,
My door definitely worked.
No,
My
no.
door also. I work.
All right,
my
Derek's
door
is,
worked.
yours works too. Yours works too. It has
Alright,
technically worked. I'm really sorry, man. You're
I
out.
get it.
That's it though. I'm sorry, man. But it's okay. You can
Guys,
still
mine
be
looks
here.
the coolest. I take award for the coolest.
All right, no.
yours does look
So we got Squid who passed, or Squid who failed. Nerix and Zex both passed, so congratulations. Next challenge now. Everyone ready for the 4th challenge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the 4th challenge is you're going to need to make a board. So basically like a little, like a board. You know how people have boards on the walls and stuff. That allows you to upload any decal you want onto it.
Yeah,
All right.
I know how to make that. That's,
Alright.
Wow,
that's-
dude, I did it for Shark Tank. This is like.
Oh yeah.
All right, so it's kind of simple, but also it does use some UI or GUI elements. So I'll give you a little more time for this one though.
He's beating me to my.
All right, wait.
I'll-
Before, don't go yet. Now listen. One thing's important. Okay. Basically, you need to be able to put it. You need to be able to put a decal ID somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere to the point where you can enter a decal and then it uploads onto that board.
It's working. But please don't touch it because it sets you on fire. So I gotta turn the first challenge off.
Set you on fire.
I'm done. I'm done.
All right, here we go. Time's up. Sorry, Nerix. Let's hope it's
Okay.
working.
Can I
Until
test?
Beanie
All right.
Alright,
Okay,
go
we're
into
starting.
team test
Sorry,
now.
man. We're starting.
Wait, let me upload it then.
upload what?
You uploaded.
I-
Upload.
No, I gotta what do you call it?
No testing. You just joined.
All right, so put in whatever link then tap.
Alright,
Put
wait.
in the link, not
The
just the
whole
ID,
link?
because you said you're gonna provide it. That would be your fault if you didn't put in the ID.
It didn't work.
And pipe. Yes, it did. Look at my screen.
Yeah, no, it didn't work.
It-
All right,
no.
wait. Let me find Zex's first. Okay, so put it in there.
Input ID.
Yo.
You put it there, and then you press change. Look at that.
Oh, okay. Yours
Yeah,
But
doesn't
it's too
work.
hard.
Look, see? Look at my screen.
Nerix
You guys
doesn't
look at-
work.
Look at my screen because it doesn't work for you.
Why doesn't it
Here,
work
look,
for me?
see?
Well, his works.
Mine should work for anybody.
Okay, so you guys, mine won't work for
Oh, why is there a rat?
Oh, wait, give me a new one. I just.
Trust the number.
Do you not?
Alright,
anyone
Oh,
else?
okay,
Oh,
okay.
All right.
I mean,
what
it
about
does
a
work
tiebreaker?
for him.
What about a tie? Let's just call it a tie.
All right,
I
listen.
did.
Both of yours was really bad, so we're gonna let you.
No.
We're gonna let you have a tiebreaker round. Okay. Next challenge. This is a pretty simple one. Make a script that makes rocks fall out of the sky randomly. Okay.
Randomly, okay.
Does it have to be like exactly a rock model?
I mean, doesn't it just make it look like a rock, kind of? You know, as long as it's not like a hot dog, then it's pretty good, right?
All right, I'm done, bro.
I'm also done.
It's gonna be interesting to see how both of your rocks are gonna be falling out of the sky. All right, let's go ahead and start.
Hold up. Okay. And
All right, rocks. Whoa, rocks are falling. They're falling. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh my gosh. No, it's raining rocks.
Wait, did they do damage?
No. These are some. Okay, who has the ball rocks?
I did.
These are some
What?
crappy rocks.
Dude, these are rocks. What?
You said rocks. Rock is a rock, dude.
Dude, they're like kickballs.
So
Mine are rocks, bro. What?
That's a football.
This is like it's a ball with like two.
Like,
with
oh,
studs
Come on.
it.
All right. You didn't say what shape.
It's
All
not a
right,
rock.
we'll count it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not the scripting part of it. So okay, all right, not bad. All right, the final challenge. Okay, challenge number 6. You need to make a script that makes an NPC follow you around, and when it touches you, you die. Actually, don't make you die. Actually, never mind. Make it follow you around.
Okay, just follow you. Okay, sure, I can do it.
All right, you have 5 minutes. Actually,
Okay.
3 minutes.
Oh, you're really trying to.
All right, go.
How many more minutes left?
52 seconds.
Oh,
Alright.
I'm actually okay. I just deleted my script.
Sad. How long is left?
You're out of time.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Oh, I'm probably gonna be.
Team test. What's the NPC you guys made follow you?
Hold up.
I deleted my script, so I
Oh,
can't.
well, you lost then.
No, wait. If this doesn't work, I'm not out.
If this doesn't work, you both
I mean,
lost.
It has to be a winner.
Yeah, this is not following me. Oh, it's
Are you
following me. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
He just
Huh?
walked to.
Look at you, idiot. You're stuck. Supposed to.
Yeah, you
All right,
just walked to.
That's it.
Oh.
You win the 10,000 Robux. Congratulations.
Woo-wee, 10,000
Zexali.
in my account.
Yeah, I think you are the best. I don't know, scripter. Yeah, out of everyone here.
I deleted my
Besides
script.
Okay,
me,
dude,
of
we
course.
just see a wider.
Anyways,
What group do I join?
congratulations for 10k Robux. I'm going to go ahead and link you a group right now. I'll give you the Robux on camera because I'm not a faker. All right, you're actually getting the 10k Robux. I'm not a liar.
Hey,
Just so you know, these
alright.
challenges are real. All right,
Thank
homie, we have the funds right here, 28,000 in group funds. Okay, let's go ahead and give this guy the money. Zex. All right, bro, 10,000 Robux. Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Here you go, dude.
10,000
You won the
right
challenge. GG, bro. That's the end of the challenge. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you want more like this, subscribe. We make Roblox development videos all the time. And leave a like if you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.